Hi kids, welcome to the sixth part of trigonometry. In our previous class, we saw a formula to find the length of chord. AB is equal to 2r sine angle AOB by 2, where angle AOB is the central angle, isn't it? Now, we are going to use this formula to find the radius of the circle. Look at the question. Question is in page number 114. First question. You are given a triangle. Length of chord is given as 3 cm and angle is 60 degree. Now the question is to find the radius. Now let us use this formula, that is AB is equal to 2r sine central angle by 2 is nothing but 60 degree, because we know the angle ABC will be equal to half the central angle of the chord AB. So here we can use the formula AB is equal to 2r sine C. Now AB is given for us. AB is equal to 3. So let us write 3 is equal to 2r sine angle C is 60 degree. So we use the formula 2r sine 60 degree. Do you understand? Now we need only r, isn't it? So let us write 2r is equal to 3 divided by sine 60 degree. Now let us substitute the value of sine 60. We know sine 60, the value is equal to root 3 by 2, isn't it? So if you substitute root 3 by 2, you will get the answer as 3 into root 3 by 2. When taken to the numerator becomes 2 by root 3. So the answer is 6 divided by root 3. Now we know the denominator should not be a irrational number. So to make it a rational number, multiply the numerator and denominator with root 3. So you get into root 3 into root 3. That gives you 6 root 3 by 3. 3 cancels with 6. So you got 2r is equal to 2 root 3. Now we need only the radius. So we can write radius is equal to 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancels with 2. So you got r is equal to root 3 centimeter. Or otherwise we can write the approximate value of root 3 as 1.732 centimeter. So this is how we find the radius of the circle. Now using this idea, we can write a formula for diameter of a circle. Okay. Children, here I am going to discuss two important formulas to find length of chord and also diameter of a circle. Okay, look at the figure. I have drawn a circle and AB is a chord, C is the angle opposite to AB. Now we know the formula AB is equal to 2r sine C, or otherwise we can use the formula. If you need BC, the formula is BC is equal to 2r sine of the angle opposite to BC. You have A. So you can use this formula to find the length of BC. Also, to find the length of AC, we use the formula 2r sine B. You have to remember these three formulas, they are important. Okay. Now let us discuss the formula to find the diameter of a circle. So diameter of a circle can be got by using the above formulas. We know AB is equal to 2r. 2r is nothing but the diameter, isn't it? So we can write AB is equal to D sine C. From this we come to a conclusion, diameter is equal to, if you want diameter, we can write diameter is equal to AB divided by sine of the angle opposite to AB. Okay. Similarly, we can write the formula for D as, if you are asked to find the diameter, we can write the formula as BC divided by sine of the angle A, or otherwise D is equal to, from the last one you can write AC divided by sine of the angle opposite to AC, which is equal to B. Okay. Now using these formulas we can find the diameter of a circle if the length of chord and the angle opposite to it are given. Let us look at a problem. Look at one more question in the same exercise. Here you are given a figure. Length of chord is 4 cm. 3 angles are given. We are asked to find the diameter of the circle. First part of the question is we are asked to find the diameter. Just now I told you to find the diameter of a circle, we use the formula diameter is equal to length of chord. Let me name this chord as AB. So we can write D is equal to length of chord divided by sine of the angle opposite to this chord, that is equal to 70 degree. Is it clear, children? Diameter is equal to length of chord divided by sine of the angle opposite to this chord, which is equal to 70 degree. Okay. Now let us divide AB's measure, that is 4 divided by sine 70. Sine 70 is 0.9397. So we can write 0.94. This is enough. Equal to 400 divided by 94, which gives you 4.255, or otherwise we can take it as 4.26. This is our diameter. Okay. Look at the second part of the question. We are asked to find the length of other two sides. The other two sides are BC and AC. Now to get the length of BC, we use the formula 2R sine A. That is 2R is nothing but the diameter. So we got 4.26 into sine of angle A, which is equal to 50 degree. So we got the answer as 4.26 into sine 50 is 0.766, which gives you 3.263. Children, you have to multiply and check the answer. Similarly, to get the length of AC, use the same formula. AC is equal to, formula is 2R sine B. That is, diameter 2R is multiplied with sine of B. Sine B is 60 degree. So you get 2R, 4.26 into 0.866. That gives you 3.689. Is it clear to you, children? So in this video, I have discussed two important ideas, that is to find the length of chord and also to find the diameter of a circle. More problems we will discuss in our next class. Thank you.